Are you looking for the best electric drill? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric drill on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. OTOOLSION 20V Cordless Drill. The OTOOLSION 20V 13mm brushless cordless drill screwdriver is a versatile power tool designed for both heavy-duty applications and precision tasks. Equipped with a 13mm chuck and a brushless motor, it delivers enhanced efficiency and durability. The brushless design reduces maintenance needs and extends the tool's lifespan. With a torque output of 120 Nm, this drill is capable of handling demanding tasks such as drilling into concrete and ice fishing applications. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use, making it suitable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The cordless feature provides mobility and convenience, eliminating the need for power outlets. Whether you're working on construction sites or outdoor projects, the OTOOLSION 20V drill offers reliable performance and versatility. Number 2. PATUOPRO 21V Electric Drill. The PATUOPRO 21V wireless brushless electric drill screwdriver is a versatile power tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It boasts a torque range of 50 to 80 Nm, making it suitable for various applications, including drilling into wood, metal, and concrete. The drill features a brushless motor, which offers enhanced efficiency and longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Additionally, the drill is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, allowing users to utilize their existing battery packs. This feature provides convenience and cost savings for those who already own Makita tools. Whether you're working on home improvement projects or professional tasks, the PATUOPRO 21V drill offers reliable performance and versatility. Number 3. Makita DDF487 Impact Drill. The Makita DDF487 is a compact and efficient 18V cordless drill driver, designed for both professional and home use. Weighing approximately 1.6 kilograms, it features a brushless motor that delivers a maximum torque of 40 Nm, making it suitable for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. The drill offers 2 speed settings, 0 to 500 RPM for low-speed applications and 0 to 1700 RPM for high-speed tasks. Its 13mm keyless chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes, enhancing convenience during use. Additionally, the DDF487 is equipped with an integrated LED light to illuminate the work area, ensuring visibility in low-light conditions. This model is compatible with Makita's 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries, providing flexibility and extended runtime for various projects. Number 4. Makita DTW700. The Makita DTW700 is a high-performance 18V cordless impact wrench designed for professionals requiring maximum torque and precision. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers up to 700 Nm of fastening torque and 1000 Nm of nut-busting torque, making it ideal for automotive repairs and heavy-duty construction projects. Its compact 170mm design allows easy access to tight spaces, while 4 speed settings and 4 impact modes provide versatility for various fastening tasks. The auto stop mode enhances safety by preventing over-tightening, and the rubber joint reduces vibration for greater comfort during extended use. Compatible with Makita's 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries, the DTW700 is available as a bare tool or in a kit with batteries, charger, and case, offering professionals reliable power, precision, and durability for demanding applications. Number 5. Makita DTW700 Electric Drill. The Makita DTW700 is a compact and powerful 18V cordless impact driver designed for a wide range of fastening tasks. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers a maximum torque of 180 Nm, 1590 pounds, and offers 4 speed settings, 0 to 1100, 0 to 2100, 0 to 3200, and 0 to 3600 RPM, along with 4 impact modes, providing versatility for various applications. Its slim body design, Measuring just 111 mm in length, allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The tool features a ring LED light with 3 brightness settings, ensuring clear visibility in low light conditions. Additionally, the DTD173 incorporates an anti-wobble bit structure for enhanced accuracy and a rear-mounted switch panel for convenient mode selection. This model is compatible with Makita's 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries, offering flexibility and extended runtime for demanding projects.